Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to decorate your kitchen with a stunning black tile floor using various components. We'll transform this space into a stylish and functional kitchen you'll love spending time in. Let's get started. Scene 1, Preparing the space. The first step is to clear out the kitchen and make sure the black tile floor is clean and ready. Remove any old furniture or items that won't be part of the new design. Scene 2, Installing kitchen cabinets. Now, let's install the kitchen cabinets. These will provide essential storage for your dishes, cookware, and food items. Place them strategically along the walls, ensuring they are level and secure. Scene 3, Assembling the kitchen island. Next, let's assemble the kitchen island. This central countertop will give you additional workspace and storage. Once assembled, position it in the center of the kitchen, leaving enough space for comfortable movement around it. Scene 4, Adding countertops and sink. It's time to add the countertops and sink. The countertops will provide you with a beautiful surface for food preparation and other kitchen tasks. Install the sink and faucet, making sure they are properly connected to the plumbing. Scene 5, Installing appliances. Now, let's install the major appliances. Place the range or cooktop, oven, range hood, refrigerator, and dishwasher in their designated spots. Make sure they are all properly connected to the necessary utilities. Scene 6, Setting up the kitchen table and seating. Let's move on to the dining area. Set up the kitchen table in a convenient location, near the kitchen island or the countertops. Add chairs or bar stools to provide comfortable seating for your family and guests. Scene 7, Organizing the pantry and drawers. The pantry and drawers are crucial for keeping your kitchen organized. Arrange the pantry shelves to store non-perishable food items, and place dividers in the drawers to keep utensils and cutlery neatly separated. Scene 8, Adding backsplash and lighting fixtures. To protect your walls and add visual interest, let's install a stylish backsplash above the countertops and behind the range. Additionally, incorporate various lighting fixtures, such as overhead lights and under-cabinet lighting, to brighten up the space and enhance functionality. Scene 9, Accessorizing the kitchen. It's the little details that make a difference. Add a spice rack for easy access to your favorite seasonings. Place a trash and recycling bin in a discreet yet accessible location to keep your kitchen tidy. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated kitchen with a striking black tile floor and all the necessary components to make cooking a joy. We hope you enjoyed this transformation. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!